Right now, a 4-ton rocket is falling toward the moon at 5,400 miles an hour. Nobody is flying it. On August 5th, it hit, with the force of 3 tons of TNT. And almost nobody on Earth saw a thing. The crash is the least interesting part. What it reveals about the moon, and about us, is the real story. Stay with me. Before the dust settles, hit like and subscribe. This one gets strange. Rewind 18 months. This rocket launched 2 moon landers in January 2025, then ran out of fuel to dispose of itself. For a year and a half it drifted, a dead school bus in deep space, nudged by sunlight and gravity, and nobody was steering. Here is why it hit so hard. The moon has no atmosphere, no air to burn it up. Nothing slows anything down. A telescope in Chile caught the aftermath, a glowing plume of sodium from the moon's soil, and lithium from the rocket itself. Here is the strange part. This was the first accidental crash. Every other time we hit the moon, we did it on purpose. Apollo crews crashed their spent rockets into the moon as experiments. The shockwaves rang through it for hours. The moon rang like a bell. In 2009, NASA deliberately fired a rocket into a dark crater, just to see what flew out. The answer? Water. But in 2022, something hit the far side that nobody claimed. And it left a crater that made no sense. It punched 2 craters, a double scar, side by side. That means the rocket was carrying weight at both ends. Something extra. The internet blamed SpaceX. Astronomers traced the tumble and the orbit, HEMIT, and the trail led to a Chinese booster from 2014. Now for perspective. A rock with this exact impact energy hits the moon naturally every 6 days. This was Tuesday for the moon. And here is what the panic gets wrong. Satellites cannot fall onto the moon. Gravity leashes them to Earth. Dead ones fall down, not up. But say every satellite we own somehow hit the moon. All 16,000. The result? Dust puffs. It outweighs them 5 quadrillion to 1. The moon was never the victim. Lose those satellites and GPS dies, storms arrive unannounced, and rural internet goes dark in a day. That scar will outlive every city on Earth. If that changed how you see the moon, follow Rewriting Reality and keep looking up. One twist: the viral crash videos, even one Musk reposted, were AI fakes. The real crater is quieter, and it is permanent.